Hey Chuck, thanks for clicking on this video. This is Rachel. I'm just going to briefly go over some updates we can make to your website to start helping you rank higher in Google and start bringing more business to you. Okay, so I've got your website up here. I do like that you have your contact number right up here. You do have these service options, those are nice, and your logo is just readily available up here at the top. This website is pretty outdated, however, and definitely could use a lot of updating. And you've got some of the services that you offer too. That's always nice. But what you can do here with images before you upload them to your website, save these as buyer intent keywords because Google's crawlers will read these and it will help you rank higher just for saving these as buyer intent keywords. Now the other thing I noticed is that this appears to just be an image and maybe it's not even text on your actual website. So Google's crawlers aren't going to be able to read these words and count it as content. They're just going to read what the image is saved as, and that's it. So that's not going to help you rank at all. So we want to get some actual content in here. And really that's what Google mostly cares about is your content. And they want you sitting at between a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark. And they want buyer intent keywords sprinkled within that quality content. And so one of those buyer intent keywords can be Electrician Sugarland, which I searched on your page and it's not on this homepage at all. This is something that people in your area are going to type into Google when they're looking for an electrician, and people aren't looking up electricians for fun. So this is quite a bit of business that you guys are missing out on just because your website's a little bit more outdated. Now what I did do is I looked up one of the top competitors in your area, and that is these guys, Madeiras Electrical, and I put them into wordcounter.net. So this is a free tool, and as you can see, they're sitting at about 706 words on their homepage. So they're just short of that 1,500 mark too, but they're definitely outranking you at this point because they're showing up number one. So boost that content, quality content, and get those keywords sprinkled in there. Now the next thing that we're just going to quickly chat about is called backlinks, and backlinks are just a shout out from another website. Google's like a popularity contest, so it wants to see other websites vouching for you, saying that you're trustworthy and you're relevant. But you have to remember not all backlinks are created equal. And so the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs, and I've gone ahead and put you guys into Ahrefs. And as we can see, we're going to chat here about this UR and DR. So this is your trust rating with Google. This is your power rating with Google. We don't have any trust rating at all right now, and your power rating is very, very low. So we want to get these boosted up, and we want them to be pretty close to each other. Now these are influenced by your backlinks, and your backlinks all come from these referring domains. So you've got about 7 referring domains right now. I've gone ahead and put your top competitors in there as well. And as we can see, their rating for trust, their power rating's very low. And these numbers are pretty far apart. We want them to be a lot closer. They've got 27 backlinks coming from 15 referring domains. So all you need to do is click into these referring domains and get yourself added to the exact same ones that they're on. Because if it's helping them rank, it's going to help you rank as well. And that's just done by either emailing the account owner, registering your own account. Sometimes you pay a monthly fee. Sometimes it's just a citation. Sometimes you can list coupons and stuff that you have for your company on there too that clients can also find. But that's going to start boosting your organic traffic to your website. And when we talk about ranking organically, we mean right down here in this area. So these are all going to be, especially Yelp and this bb.org, these are going to be so easy to beat out. And you want to be in this first, second, or third spot right here. Now the last thing that we're going to touch on really quickly is this area right here called the Local Map Pack or Google My Business. Now how you get here is by creating a profile, ensuring that you fill that profile out completely, and then getting yourself listed into directories with your citation. So your citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number, and those directories just include things like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, etc., things like that. So what I would do if I was in your shoes, I'd find out what directories my top competitors are listed in, and I get myself listed in those exact same ones, and then I go above and beyond that, and if they're listed in 150, I'm going to get myself listed in 200, maybe 250, and really blow them out of the water. All right, Chuck, that's all I've got for you. I hope that this was helpful, and I look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks.